Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. SushiSwap has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern, and this was the move that I've been showing you in my previous video. And this was my last video, by the way, this one that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. And now if we move here on the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that SushiSwap first broke out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. This very long-term downtrend and resistance of this wedge, you can see that since after the month of May 2021, the price was getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And finally here in the month of October 2023, we broke it out. But after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2 and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern that recently we have broken out. Now, after the breakout, the price is trying to break another long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. That was previously working as support here, and resistance here. And for several months, it had been working as a support. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Fusionist, you just need to click on the link and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared almost 7 days ago with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SushiSwap, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And let me to show this falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, SushiSwap was moving inside this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that we got a few rejections here, another rejection here, another rejection here. Then we had a bounce here, a few more rejections here, and almost had another bounce here. And after one or two more rejections, the price finally broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Right now, SushiSwap is trying to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. You can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is struggling to break out this resistance since after the month of June 2024. It is working as a very, very strong resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working as a support zone. This zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. Before that, has been working as a support zone here, resistance zone here, and from the month of May 2022 up till the month of March 2023, it has been working as a very, very strong and long-term support zone. Therefore, again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of SushiSwap. In case of breaking it out, we can expect an imminent move up to the next resistance zone. That starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. By the way, the technical target for the breakout is also here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2, where we have the top of this very, very long-term resistance line. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, but so far the price line could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge because it could not break out this resistance line and got stuck inside this wedge. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.